1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Layer number 3, the network layer. The third layer of the OSI model, the network layer, also in the TCP layer, is the third one as well, is where the magic of routing and reassembly of data takes place, from these small chunks to the larger chunks. Firstly, routing simply determines the most optimal path in which these chunks of data should be sent. While some protocols at this layer determine exactly what is the optimal path that data should take to reach a device, we should only know about their existence at this stage of the networking module. Briefly, these protocols include OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, and RIP Routing Information Protocol. The factors that decide what route is taken is decided by the following: what path is the shortest, that is, has the least amount of devices that the packet needs to travel across; what path is the most reliable, that is, what packets been lost on that path before; which path has the faster physical connection, that is one path using a copper connection or a fiber connection. At this layer, everything is dealt with via the IP address, such as an example address. Devices such as routers capable of delivering packets using IP addresses are known as layer 3 devices, because they are capable of working at the third layer of the OSI model. We see here how this small network is connected. We see the routers and we see how data will travel. And in this protocol, we learn about OSPF and RIP that will automatically determine based on the shortest path, the most reliable, and fastest physical connection, right? Will determine what route it will go. Okay, questions. What is the name of this this layer? Network layer. Will packets take the most optimal route across a network? Yes. What does the acronym OSPF stands for? We will do the oldest job in the world. Copy pasting. Open shortest path first. Smash. What does RIP mean? Routing Informazione Protocoles. What type of addresses are dealt with at this layer? IP addresses. Thank you.